Welcome to the podcast. My name is Dr. Noor Gajraj. Let's talk about metformin, an old drug with new hope for healthy aging. Potential benefits: treatment of diabetes. Metformin is a popular drug primarily used to treat type 2 diabetes. It can also help with weight loss. Cancer prevention and treatment. Metformin may have potential benefits in cancer prevention and treatment, such as esophageal squamous cell carcinoma, head and neck squamous cell carcinoma, ovarian cancer, breast cancer, and colorectal cancer. Anti-aging effects. Metformin targets all the hallmarks of aging, such as genomic instability, telomere attrition, and cellular senescence. Decreased cognitive decline. Metformin's multiple effects on aging pathways, including reducing inflammation and oxidative stress, make it a promising candidate for preventing cognitive decline. Decrease in mortality. Metformin use has been associated with reduced all-cause mortality and a lower risk of various age-related diseases, even in non-diabetic individuals. Changes in the gut microbiome. Metformin-induced changes in the gut microbiome have been associated with improved cognition, highlighting the importance of the gut-brain connection. Mimicking fasting and exercise. Metformin can reduce inflammation and cancer risk, similar to the benefits of fasting and exercise. Reduced risk of dementia. Use of metformin has been shown to be associated with a decreased risk of dementia. Metformin's anti-aging arsenal, how it works at the cellular level. Number one, mitochondrial function and energy metabolism regulation. Damage to mitochondrial DNA and their dysfunction are closely linked to aging, leading to reduced energy, increased cellular stress, and inflammation. Metformin acts by subtly suppressing a part of the mitochondrial energy chain, complex 1, which in turn activates a crucial cellular energy sensor called adenosine monophosphate activated protein kinase, or AMPK. This activation helps restore energy balance and promotes overall mitochondrial health, reducing harmful reactive oxygen species production and inflammation. Number two, nutrient sensing pathways. Our cells constantly sense nutrient availability, influencing growth and metabolism. Key players here are the insulin-like growth factor 1, and mTOR, mechanistic target of rapamycin pathways. Overactivity in these pathways is linked to accelerated aging. Metformin can lower insulin and IGF-1 levels and inhibit the mTOR pathway. This effect mimics some benefits of calorie restriction, a known anti-aging strategy, potentially leading to delayed aging and enhanced longevity. Number three, the AMPK-mTOR pathway and autophagy activation. AMPK, activated by metformin, and mTOR, inhibited by metformin, are central to cellular energy balance and a process called autophagy. Autophagy is your cell's recycling and cleanup crew. It removes damaged cellular materials and supplies building blocks for renewal. By activating AMPK and inhibiting mTOR, metformin promotes this vital self-cleaning process, maintaining cellular integrity and delaying cellular degeneration. Number four, sirtuin activation. There are several known sirtuins in humans, labeled from 1 to 7. Each sirtuin has specific functions and is expressed in different tissues throughout the body. Some research suggests they may be involved in aging and longevity. Metformin has been shown to activate sirtuins, particularly sirtuin 1. This activation is thought to contribute to some of the beneficial effects of metformin, such as improved insulin sensitivity and reduced inflammation. Beyond the cell, systemic benefits and future outlook. 1. Inflammation and cellular senescence inhibition. Chronic inflammation is a hallmark of aging, exacerbated by senescent cells, often called zombie cells. These senescent cells release inflammatory factors that perpetuate a cycle of inflammation and aging. Metformin exerts its anti-inflammatory effects through multiple pathways, including AMPK and ROS regulation, helping to mitigate chronic inflammation and supporting the clearance of damaged mitochondria and senescent cells. Epigenetic regulation. Epigenetic modifications, changes to gene expression without altering DNA sequence, play a pivotal role in aging and inflammation. Metformin influences these modifications, supporting genomic integrity and modulating histone modifications. Studies have shown that metformin use is associated with lower epigenetic age acceleration in diabetic patients. Systemic anti-aging effects. Metformin has demonstrated effectiveness against metabolic disorders like obesity, cardiovascular diseases, including risk of heart attack, stroke, and improving heart function, neurodegenerative diseases, showing neuroprotective effects, especially for Alzheimer's risk in diabetic patients, though effects may vary with age and baseline state, and even in tumor genesis and immune regulation, decreasing cancer risk and modulating the immune microenvironment. Groundbreaking animal studies, including in crab-eating macaques, have shown metformin can significantly alleviate cortisol atrophy, improve cognition, delay periodontal bone loss, decelerate aging in organs such as the liver and heart, and reduce biological age markers. Clinical promise, challenges, and future directions. The anti-aging potential of metformin in humans is a major focus of clinical trials. The TAME study, targeting aging with metformin, is a groundbreaking clinical trial aiming to test whether metformin can slow the aging process in humans. The study plans to enroll over 3,000 participants aged 65 to 79. The results of this study are eagerly awaited. Success in this trial could redefine aging as a modifiable condition. However, significant challenges and future directions remain. Understanding mechanisms. While we know what it does, a comprehensive understanding of all underlying mechanisms is still needed. Optimal dosing and safety. Determining the optimal dosage and evaluating long-term safety in non-diabetic populations are crucial. Common side effects like GI issues and potential vitamin B deficiency need consideration. Metformin has a short half-life and relatively low bioavailability when taken orally. Future research is focusing on enhancing its delivery, for example, through topical applications to improve its effectiveness and minimize side effects. Regulatory hurdles. Aging is not yet classified as a treatable condition, which impacts drug development and adoption for longevity interventions. Thank you for listening to this talk. I hope you have found it interesting and informative. Please consider buying my new book, 100 Pathways to Longevity, and subscribing to my channel. Thank you very much.